Hi, I'm Jenny Kaufman. I'm Chapman's Energy Conservation and Sustainability Manager. As Chapman's Sustainability Manager, I'm constantly looking for ways that as a campus we can reduce our water use, reduce our energy use, and just reduce our overall ecological and environmental footprint as a campus. First and foremost, we were looking for drought-tolerant plants that would work well in the dry Southern California climates, that would work well with the drip irrigation systems we plan to install. We also wanted to really highlight some California natives, so you'll find those in all the landscapes that we have converted. So far, Chapman has converted over 25,000 square feet of grass into these drought-tolerant landscapes, but we're definitely working to identify more grass areas that we plan to convert to similar landscapes. Just through looking online, I found out about the rebates available for turf removal and spray to drip irrigation, and we were excited about pursuing these rebates because the money that we get back from the rebates, we plan to just funnel into future drought-tolerant landscape projects, so it's really self-sustaining for us. MoDOC has been really great to work with throughout the process. I've had plenty of questions the whole time, and they have been very responsive, receptive, and have made it feel like a partnership and where we get to work with them to design these landscapes that highlight the drought-tolerant plants and the sustainability features that you see at all of our landscapes.